back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add 3D text in Canva or CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So you can simply add 3D text in Canva or CapCut by simply going to any of the applications. So if you are using like Canva or CapCut, you need a pro version for both of it to use a 3D text in both the tools. So all you gotta do is simply go and tap on the template, or you can simply find any of the templates you want, and once you have done this, you can manually shadow or layer method which has fonts. So you can simply layer it like this, and you can get like different kind of figures and 3D text. Or you can also search in the fonts for 3D text. So if you're gonna do this, then you will be able to simply insert 3D text or like 3D kind of effect in your Canva design or CapCut design. So it comes in free version as well, but if you have the paid version, then you can get a wide range of it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.